Okuma supports the foundation of monozukuri manufacturing. By producing the mother machine as a comprehensive manufacturer of advanced machine tools, consumers can use digital tablets, automobiles, and jet aircraft, all produced by today's machine tools that support affluent lifestyles throughout the world. Our headquarters is in the central region of Japan. As a leading company of machine tools, lathes, machining centers, grinders, 5-axis machining centers, and multitasking machines, Okuma products support a wide range of industries. And for manufacturing system proposals to after-sales service, we bear full responsibility. With total responsibility, we will contribute to value creation efforts by customers throughout the world and pioneer a new future for monozukuri.